Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So I am back with another makeup review video, and for today's video I'm going to be reviewing the 5 Colors Couture from Dior, and this is in the shade 539 Grand Bal. So I actually reviewed this product before already, but it was for the shade Black Bow and the shade Jungle, and I also have a video up for the shade Soft Cashmere. I'll have all the links of those videos down in the description box if you want to check them out later. Or if you've already watched that, thank you so much for watching and welcome back. But yeah, this one's in the shade Grand Bal. So let's open this up. Still in the box. It's the same from all the other 5 Colors Couture palette. On the packaging you have a suggested like look on here for a soft look and an intense look. I'll zoom you so you can see. So yeah, this one's for a soft look and this one is for an intense look. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to do a soft look and an intense look. So this is the palette. Again, very cute, very sleek, and very compact. Good for traveling. You have a mirror here already. It came in with these 2 little brushes that has the Dior logo on here. Very cute. You still have the plastic sleeve covering this baby. And these are the gorgeous shades. Super beautiful. So before I do a soft look and an intense look, I'm going to be swatching these out first. So I'm going to start with this shade. So this is the first shade. That is very pretty. It has a nice shimmer to it. Let's do this shade next. I don't know if you can see, but it's very light on my skin. But it also has a nice like sheen or shine to it. I'll do another layer just for you to see. There. Very nice. Let's do the middle one next. So that's very dark. And then let's proceed to this one. That is very pretty too. And then last, let's swatch this shade. Oh, that's more gold than this one. So yeah, you get these beautiful shades, 4 like shimmer or like a shiny shade and 1 matte. Very pretty. I personally think that you could get a lot of looks from this because you can use the matte shade as your transition color, or you can just put it on your like outer V or use it as an eyeliner and only use like one of the shimmers like all over your lid and you'll be good to go. I think it would be a simple yet very elegant and pretty look. It would look like effortlessly pretty, but let's go ahead and do the soft look and the intense look so you can see them in action. So for the first look, we're going to be using these 3 shades right here at the top. And I'm going to be starting off with this shimmer shade right here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm just using my finger to apply it all over my lid. And then I'm going to be taking this shade with a small packer brush. And I'm going to put this on my inner corners. I'm also going to apply this on the inner half of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking this shade right here. And on my outer corner or my outer V, I'm going to like create a like wing for like a winged liner, like smudged effect or whatever. So I'm just doing this. And I'm connecting it to the outer half of my lower lash line, like so. With a clean brush, I'm just buffing the wing out a little bit because it became like too harsh. So this is the soft look. It's very simple, yet I think it looks very elegant and very pretty. Now for the intense look, I'm going to be starting with the matte shade. And I'm going to put this on my lid starting from the outer V. Then onto my crease. And then just basically all over my lid. And I'm going to drag it onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking this gold shade and I'm going to pack it onto my lid. Then I'm going back with this one just a little bit, and I'm going to blend out the outer corner and onto the crease just so you don't have any like harsh lines. And then with a small packer brush, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to put it on my inner corners. And I'm also going to use that to highlight my brow bone. So this is the soft look and this is the intense look. So now I'm just going to put on liner, lashes, and mascara, then I'll be right back. For the final look. So you guys, this is the soft look with my mascara, lashes, and liner on. And this is the intense look. So soft look, intense look. Intense look. Soft look. So again, you guys, these are these shades swatched. These are very pretty colors. For my final thoughts about this product, I think this is really worth the money. I find the Dior 5 Colors Couture eyeshadows very pretty. The color story is very good. I think you can create a lot of looks with this that would look effortlessly beautiful and elegant. Considering the amount of looks that you can create using just 5 eyeshadow colors, I think this is pretty good. I totally recommend this product. So again, I'll have the link down in the description for the other videos of me reviewing other shades of the 5 Colors Couture eyeshadow palettes. I have one for Black Bow, Jungle, and Soft Cashmere, so go ahead and check that out. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.